guys, welcome back to another video. The GoPro Hero 8 Black was released last year in October, and GoPro fans are already eagerly awaiting for the 2020 version, which will most likely be called the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Unlike the last time, there aren't any leaks for the GoPro Hero 9 as yet, but there are some cool new features that we're expecting in this year's model. In this video, we'll talk about the expected release date, features, price, and how the expected features in the GoPro Hero 9 compare with the current ones in GoPro Hero 8. Expected features. GoPro would definitely want to stay ahead of the competition from DJI. Therefore, you can expect improvement in design, resolution, frame rate, and processor. GoPro cameras have been using the same form factor for the past 4 years, so Hero 9 Black's design is expected to receive significant updates. There are rumors that it may come with a larger bezel lens, touchscreen display. We expect the new GoPro Hero 9 to be able to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second and Full HD videos at 480 frames per second, which is double the max frame rate of Hero 8. The flagship action camera is also expected to have a 16-megapixel sensor with refined image quality and a bigger microphone. The processor could be upgraded to the new GP2 processor, which would mean better low-light shooting, better image and video stabilization, superior color accuracy, and improved digital zoom. Hero 9 compared to Hero 8. The frame rate has remained more or less the same for quite some time on GoPro cameras. The GoPro Hero 8 has a 12-megapixel resolution and can record 4K video at 60 frames per second and Full HD videos at 240 frames per second. So, if the frame rate does increase to 120 frames per second for 4K videos and 480 frames per second for Full HD videos in the GoPro Hero 9, it would be worth upgrading. The design of the body hasn't seen any significant changes for a few generations, so a bezel lens design would be great. An upgrade to the current GP1 processor on the Hero 8 would also help the camera deliver better frame rates and improved low light and slow motion videos. Expected release date. GoPro has a history of releasing a new flagship Hero camera every year, either in September or in October. GoPro Hero 6 Black was introduced in September 2017, the GoPro Hero 7 Black in September 2018, and the GoPro Hero 8 Black in October 2019. So, there's a high likelihood that the GoPro Hero 9 action camera may be released sometime in September or October 2020. Expected launch price. We expect the GoPro Hero 9 Black to be priced at the same price point of $399 as their current flagship model Hero 8 Black. At the same time, you can expect the price of Hero 8 Black to be cut down to $329, as is the case currently with the older model Hero 7. We hope you found this video helpful. What do you guys think? What would you like to see on the Hero 9? Does the new Hero 9 offer enough for you to consider upgrading? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. Hit that bell icon and get new video updates. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.